Welcome to the Hawaii Hurricane Preps video. This is my H2O Labs countertop water distillation device. So, there you go. You adjust it. So you don't have to hurry down to Costco, Walmart, KTA, Safeway, whatever store, and clear out all the bottled water off the shelves. If you can make your own, right? So if you need distilled water, it's the purest kind of water. It's pretty easy. This is pretty easy to use. You just take off the top. The fan is in here. The condensation doesn't use too much power, so you do need some kind of electricity to run this. And you take your tap water and you just pour it in. And there's a fill line in there. You fill it up. It usually takes about 2 of these to fill it up to the fill line. And then you just hit the button. You put the top back on first. And this is the boil pot. And all it is just a boil pot and the condensation tubes and a little fan to cool the tubes on top. And there's a little carbon filter from organic coconut husks. So you have a little activated charcoal filter as the last stage after you've already distilled it. And that pretty much takes out, any kind of pathogen, because you're taking water from a liquid state, changing it to a vapor state, and then condensing it back to a liquid. So any minerals or pathogens are going to get left at the bottom of the condensation pot, and you'll have pure water. And no need to panic at the stores like everybody is doing today for Hurricane Lane. Right now, people are panicking at Costco. People are panicking at Walmart because they're out of water, bottled water. Right? So, now, I don't know why people do that, because in every phone book it says how to prepare for hurricane. It's like, anyway. Let me finish filling this thing up, and then I'll hit the start button. That's all there is to it. Alright, second load of tap water. Actually, for myself, I take RO water from my RO account. I have a GE RO filter also under my sink. But this distills it. Some people need distilled water for like medical devices like CPAP machines, or deal with sleep apnea or snoring or whatever. But some people need distilled water or like distilled water, and so this is how easy it is. Check the fill line. Yeah, close enough. Put on the top, and it's plugged in. So here's the carbon filter is in this little nozzle where the water comes out of. It comes with a glass carafe. And you just hit the start button. And it's got it's automatically timed to end when they figured out how long it takes for it to boil and distill the amount of water when it goes up to the fill line. So when it's done, it automatically stops. So you just set it and forget it. And it basically will 1 gallon carafe. It takes about 7 hours, something like that. So you could set it in the morning, set it at the evening before you go to sleep. Or if you have a Category 5 hurricane coming in, you could just always keep it running constantly, so you'll have water for yourself, your family, and your friends. And these things do require power, so it helps if the power goes out if you have a generator. If not, you don't have a generator, then you have to find somebody who has one to use this, and maybe trade for distilled water services or water distilling services in exchange for their power. Or you could buy yourself a generator. It doesn't use that much power. You can go to the website and figure out exactly how much power it does. Sure, I have the manual around here somewhere. I did read it, but I forgot the exact power it comes down to. And it's just a boiling pot and a fan, which takes out the hot air and keeps the condensation tubing cool. And it takes a while. It's not instant. It's not an instant thing. But it's a pretty good hurricane prep to be able to distill your own water. This is Hawaii Volcano Squad signing off. I'm gone.